Hello everyone, this is Aryan Thakkar, your coach and mentor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel on Aryan Tutorials, where in this video I'll be taking up your next structure of transformation, which is sentences with owing to and provided. Okay? Now, whenever you get any question which is to be transformed using owing to or beginning a sentence with owing to, first thing first, owing to का मतलब क्या होता है? Owing to conveys due to this. Basically, इसके वजह से समथिंग हैपेंड, दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ओइंग टू. सो अगर आपको ओइंग टू बिगिनिंग में दिया जाए तो फिर आप कैसे बनाओगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द रोड्स वर फ्लडेड एंड द इवेंट वॉज पोस्टपोन्ड. सो इसके लिए हो जाएगा ओइंग टू द फ्लडेड. द नहीं लगेगा. ओइंग टू फ्लडेड, अगर द होता तो द लगाते. ओइंग टू फ्लडेड roads, comma, always remember to use comma for joining sentences with owing to. So owing to flooded roads, comma, the event was postponed. ठीक है? Now, this is for the transformation structure where you have to begin using owing. Owing to हमेशा साथ में जाएगा. Now, कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि क्वेश्चन में आपको दे देता है use owing to. So जब use दिया हुआ रहे, it is expected of you not to begin your sentence with owing to, rather use it in the middle. उस टाइम पे फिर आप कॉमा का इस्तेमाल नहीं करोगे. So the roads were flooded and the event was postponed. So आप जो दूसरा क्लॉज है उसको पहले लाके फिर owing to को लगा के रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस को यूज करके अपना ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करोगे. So इसके लिए हो जाएगा द इवेंट was postponed. इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉमा आप owing to यहां बीच में डालोगे owing to flooded roads. These are the kind of transformation which can be expected or which can be asked in your board examination. She had a fever, so she skipped practice. Owing to her fever, comma, she skipped practice. या फिर आप क्या बोल सकते हो? She skipped practice owing to her fever. That could be your transformed version or structure. There was a power cut and therefore the production stopped. इसके लिए हो जाएगा owing to a power cut, comma, the production stopped. ठीक है? Full stop. Owing to a power cut, comma, the production stopped. या फिर the production stopped owing to a power cut. He lacked funds, so he cancelled the trip. Owing to a lack of funds, owing to a lack of funds, comma, he cancelled the trip. या फिर he cancelled the trip owing to a lack of funds. These are your transformation with using of owing to in the beginning or in the middle. Please remember that thing in mind. And coming to the next structure, when sentences will be asked to be framed beginning with provided, or you can also make use of provided somewhere in the middle of the sentence. Now, if you decide to begin your sentence with provided, या अगर आपको बोल दे कि begin provided, then you have to make use of comma. And अगर आप provided को बीच में डालोगे तो फिर वहां पे comma नहीं आएगा. जैसे for example, if he comes back, we will go with him. Now, it's a must that with provided, you have to make use of that. So it will be provided that he comes back, provided that he comes back, comma, we will go with him. That is how you transform your sentence. Or another way could be, we will go with him, provided, you don't have to make use of comma in that case, provided that he comes back. full stop. ठीक है? Provided that he comes back, we will go with him. We will go with him provided that he comes back. You can go out only if you finish your homework. Provided that you finish your homework, comma, you can go out. ठीक है? You can go out only if you finish your homework, provided that you finish your homework, comma, you can go out. You can go out provided that you finish your homework. That could another version. That could be another version of sentences with provided. She will join the trip only if her parents allow her, provided that her parents allow her, comma, she will join the trip. Yeah, she will join the trip provided that her parents allow her. We will book the tickets only if we get a discount, provided that we get a discount, comma, we will book the tickets. Yeah, we will book the tickets provided that we get a discount. So these were your structure with provided and alongside usage of owing to. I hope this video helps, and if you're liking my content, then please do let me know in the comment section down below by commenting yes. And if you want more such videos, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I hope you're having a great time preparing for your examination. Keep studying, keep smiling, take care. Bye-bye.